What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Max, aka the Mythical Froki, and I'm back again with episode 2 of Radical Raid Monograss type challenge. In the last episode, we left off in front of the Uto Museum, and now we have to take on Faulkner, which I'm really scared of. I did some grinding off screen, so we have Bambi, who is level 15, and we'll be leading off with her because she can outspeed his Wingle and set up a lead seed. We have Chestnut, who evolved off screen, so Chestnut is now a Nuzleaf. He also got Razor Leaf, so that's pretty cool. We got Aries, who is a Hoppip, and you guys might be thinking, why do I have a Hoppip? So Hoppip, I actually Dex Nav hunted for Hoppip, and you guys won't believe how many encounters I put in. 63. I searched for 63 Hoppips to find this specific Hoppip because it has a specific move in the form of Seed Bomb. Seed Bomb is a 80 base power grass type move, and having it so early on in the game is great. Jumpluff in this game is buffed, so instead of having the 55 attack start, it has a 85 attack start, which puts it on par with Miltank, and it gets the hidden ability Aerialate, which transforms its normal types move into flying type moves. So flying staff is really good for bug type mons and stuff like that. Aries would be a crucial team member. Then we have Sprout, our Bulbasaur, level 15. Then we have Sujinoko, the Sword, level 15. Jojo, the Pansage, level 15. And yeah, so that's the squad we're rocking with. Let's take on Faulkner now. There doesn't seem to be any information on Megastones. Oh, hi there, I'm Faulkner, a gym leader from Johto. I'm traveling in Kanto looking for information on Mega Evolution, but have found nothing so far. A battle is what you're looking for? I guess I could spare the time. I'll demonstrate the power of the elegant bird Pokemon. Alright, you're challenged by leader Faulkner. So, Wingle, I am going to set up a lead seed. We don't miss, which is nice. And he misses his air cutter, which is absolutely amazing. Now he is going to keep roosting, and we are going to keep sapping the health. And I think this turn, yep, we get a crit. And I am going to lead seed that thing. The Oran Berry pops, and we die. Now I am going into Sprout, and we are going to hit the poison powder, which is absolutely nice. Now I am going to go into Sujinoko and sack Sujinoko off, because he's going to be absolutely useless in this battle. There we go, Sujinoko stalling a turn. We can actually, no, we can't string shot. Okay, so I am going into Chestnut because I think that Chestnut can live a hit. I hope that Chestnut can live a hit and we can get some chip on this thing. Chestnut does live a hit, the Oran pops off, and Razor Leaf, we don't miss. Doing a decent chuck, a critical hit. Ooh, nice, that's really nice. So we have that going on, and I do not know that what are we going to do now. Yep, that thing just kills. We do need to sack off one more mon, and I do think that Aries can be sacked off because Jojo has lick, so we can lick the Corvisquire to paralyze that thing. I'm just going to, oh, okay, things just got real bad. Let's just go into Sprout and click lead seed. Sprout living on 1, not a clutch live, but like we are going to lick. No paras, which is sad, and we are going to lose to Faulkner. Okay, this is going to take some time. Maybe this episode will be fighting Faulkner for 20 minutes straight. If that is the case, I'm so sorry if this episode goes on to be boring. But like we have to beat this fight in order to win. Bambi avoids the attack again, and we just crit that thing straight out of the gate. He air cutters me, we get the lead seed off. Then Bambi is still pretty fast, so I'm just going to go back into Sujinoko, sack it off. Then I go into Chestnut, I click Razor Leaf. Now I'm actually, I don't know what I am going to do here. Let's maybe go into Aries and sack Aries off, then go out into Bambi, click lead seed. Bambi gets its seeds up. Then I can either set poison powder right now. Yeah, I have to set poison powder right now. And Oofies, okay, I don't know. Yeah, this turn is going even worse. Emolga, and we live that. We get another, yeah, I don't think that we can beat this fight, like until we get like crazy para hacks or something like that, or he misses all his air cutters. We can't beat this fight, and we cannot level up any further. We are going to be here for a while, guys. We are going to be here for a while. But then tell me, guys, how is your day going? Like, everything fine? I know that everybody is dealing with the COVID right now. The vaccinations are open, so if you are above 18, I would highly encourage you to go and get the vaccinations done. My parents have gone today to get the vaccination done, and while at the time I am recording this video, and they should be back by the time you watch this. So yeah, and we'll take out the Wingull, no problem. Let's this thing is such a big problem. Oh, we get the poison on this thing. That is crucial. That's really huge. And for some reason our Oran Berry does not pop off. Why didn't our Oran Berry pop off? Excuse me. What? Why? Why did my Oran Berry not pop off? It should have popped off. I don't know what I am going to do now. I think Scratch has more base power than Lick. Like Scratch is 40, Lick is 30. Yeah, Lick is 30 and Scratch is 40. Yeah, so we have to scratch this thing right now. And he creates the aerial ace. I don't think that really mattered. We are going to click Razor Leaf and we take out that thing. Nice. So his Emolga is going to just single-handedly bop my team. I heal up with Synthesis, he air cutters me, I heal up with Synthesis again, and he air cutters me again. I don't even know, like, how am I? I don't even know. Do we have something that can help us? TGTV starts can nope, not at all, nothing at all. Nope. Berry pouch. We don't even have any viable berries. I don't want to turn off the XP share, like that doesn't even matter right now. I don't know what we are going to do against Faulkner right now. I think there was a red den right there. Is there not a red den in Viridian Forest? Am I just dumb? Let's just run around and see. I think there is a red den. Please. And nope, there is not a red den here, which is absolutely tragic. I think we are going to run back to Faulkner. Like, I'm losing all my money to that guy. Brock should be no problem. Like, his Vulpix might be a case, but Brock should be no problem at all. I don't know how we beat Faulkner though. Like, his Emolga is such a big problem. That thing can't be even paralyzed, and I'd never thought that I would say this, but like, his Emolga is the most problematic mon. Should we just lead with Sprout? Let's just lead with Sprout. Sprout has the highest special defense on the team, so let's just try this once more. And we are going to click Leech Seed, and we miss, cause why won't we? Just the one turn where we were in green health, Sprout decided that it does not want to hit its Leech Seed anymore. That's just sad, dude. That's just sad. Toss of seed, we take health. Now I don't know whether we can do this for a long time, but I'm going to go Aries and I'm going to Synthesis stall this thing. He grades me. Yep. That's Radical Red for you. Live on 2. Yeah, I don't even think that we can. Don't tally my years. I don't know what I'm doing right here. I don't know. He goes into Wingull for some weird reason. Wingull just decides to. I'm just going to lick this thing. We get the para. I don't know. Yeah, the para. It doesn't even get paralyzed. I miss my Leech Seed. What did I miss? I miss my Leech Seed. I get critted by a air cutter. There is construction going on in my area when I decided to record. Today is just a bad day overall. Let's just click Leech Seed again. We get it. Nice. Poison powder. We get that going for us. And Vineweb just one-shots it. I don't know if Vineweb regularly one-shots it, but it did right now, so that's good. Let's go into Bambi. Click. We got critted. That didn't matter that I misclicked right there. We just got critted. So yeah, that's life right now. Everybody is dead. Everybody is dead. God dang it. This thing just does not want to miss. For some reason, I can miss my lead seeds, but this thing cannot miss its 8 slashes. Like, I don't think that the mystery egg has a grass type in it, so I'm not going to take the mystery egg. The only grass flying type available to us, I think, is Tropius. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like, Rowlet and Dartrix exist, but like the fully evolved grass flying is only Tropius for us. So, and Tropius sucks. It's not even available till the late game, so I don't know what we are doing right now. And I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, I'm not even going to get Tropius. It's not even going to be useful in this game. Okay. We need Rotom-Mow. Like, we can get that after Erika, but that's a bit too late. Let's just click Leech Seed. We get critted, cause why won't we? Damn it. Poison Powder, Leech Seed Poison. The Leech Seed Poison combo is really good for sapping health, but like, okay. Can we live a air cutter? We can live a air cutter. That is absolutely good. And he misses one air slash or air cutter or whatever that move is. That freaking dumb move. That thing dies. We got critted. The only mon on my team that can live that decides to just adios. I'ma get critted, my dude. I have to synthesis stall this thing. I don't think I can even touch this. Yep, even synthesis stall does not work. Damn it, dude. Like, 11 minutes into the video, 12 minutes into the video actually, and we can't beat Faulkner for the life of us. Let's try it once more. Click lead. We missed the lead seed. Nice. We miss. We straight miss. Chestnut, you goat. Let's lead with Chestnut in the next match. Chestnut critted that thing. Yeah, I know. I think the crit mattered, but like Chestnut just straight up obliterated that thing. He straight up just came in and just yeeted that thing out of the field. Let's go for a lick. No paras. Sad. Yeah, that's one more match. So let's lead with Chestnut here. Maybe Chestnut can just one-shot that thing. Maybe, I'm hoping. Chestnut has a really high attack stat right now, 27. That's the highest. Like, yeah, even Bambi has that much attack stat, but like Bambi has no stab moves as than tackle. And Razor Leaf might. I don't know if Razor Leaf has higher base power, like it's 55. Come on, Chestnut. I need you to just obliterate this finger. Let's go! Another crit! Chestnut, you poggers guy. Chestnut just absolutely poggers right here. Let's just click Leech Seed. Get a seed on that thing. I can now go Sprout and I can tackle away. I can go Sujinoko and absolutely do nothing and like sack it off. I can also go Aries and synthesis a couple of times to sap some extra leech seed health. Jojo just dies and we need Jojo for Corvuscular to paralyze that thing. Let's go Aries and we can. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I do what I do. Let's just leech seed this again. It dropped us from 42 to 19, so yeah, we won't be living this one. We definitely won't be living this one. Yep. Yes, we get the para. Okay. So if this thing decides to stay parad, it does not. Why? Why do you not want to stay parad, you damn Corvuscular? Like, die, dude. Let's read with Chestnut again. Chestnut has been getting direct crits. I said Seedot was trash, so Chestnut wants redemption, dude. And I am going to click Razor Leaf again. We hit. And we do not kill. Okay. Chestnut eats the berry and we miss. Chestnut, come on, dude. After I said all that, you really had to go up and miss it, didn't you? Okay, so that was some good damage right there. Let's go into Jojo. Click Scratch a couple of times. only one time, maybe. Let's just, yeah, I think I have to lead seed this thing. I don't think I can do it without lead seeding it. I am going to Fairy Wind. For some reason Hoppip can live a hit but Jojo can't. Like, why? I know Sujinoko can't. Sujinoko is quad weak to that thing, but for some reason even Jojo can't live a hit. Let's just lead with Chestnut again. I don't even know if I can do it in this match anymore. Like, I don't know what my strategy here is going to be. We at least kill that thing, which is nice. So now let's go into Bambi, click lead seed. I don't know how Bambi is not faster than this thing. It might be EV trained, like it has to be EV trained. There is no way Bambi is not outspeeding it thing. A crit, nice. Yeah, that is a high crit ratio move, right? And we poisoned that thing, which is nice. Let's just tackle away, maybe. But the thing is now Jojo cannot paralyze it, so can we leer it? That was a dumb play probably. Oh no, Jojo is faster. Okay, so Jojo is faster than that thing. That's some good info. Jojo is faster than that thing, so we can actually just go into Jojo and leer it a couple of times then, like maybe get the -2 defenses, then go out into Bambi and Bambi outspeeds that thing to maybe kill it. Let's try it. Let's try that. Unless and until we can beat the emo. Yeah, come on, Chestnut, please get the crit. Nope. You're not helping, Chestnut. You're not helping me. Bambi, you are not supposed to get the crit, but like thanks for your contribution. Let's go into Sujinoko, sack that thing off, snag that thing off. Lead seed onto that, and also get a poison powder off. Now I think I go Aries and click Seed Bomb. Okay, now I go out into Bambi and from this range. Oh, okay, yeah, that is tricky. That is very tricky. I think I lead seed that thing, and then I tackle it a couple of times. I then go out into Jojo, click clear. Scratch does nothing, dude. Oh, I don't even know how I beat this thing with a team full of grass types. Like, I come close every time and I always lose. Like, do you guys have any strategies? If you do, just let me know, please. Let me know. I don't think I can do this. Air Cutter, it crits me the first time, but it's fine. I just go out into Sprout, click Leech Seed. Then I tackle away. He misses. Nice. I click Leech Seed on that thing as well, and I go into Jojo. I go into Jojo and leer it 2 times. Then I go out into Bambi and click tackle. Nice, Bambi. Bambi takes that thing down. Air Cutter takes. Yeah, it would have been a good strategy if like anything on my team could have been able to live a hit from this Emolga, or this thing just missed. If this thing missed, we would have just won right there. But let's do a 30-minute episode, cause why not? Like, I want to beat freaking Faulkner in this episode, so let's do a 30-minute episode. Why not? Let's just, we need lucky crits and not missing, and him missing. A lot of hacks. We cannot do this without hacks. Please send hacks. Let's tackle again. He crits me. He crits me. He crits me. I'm sad. That did no damage. We can go into Jojo. Click clear a couple of times. Then we go out into Bambi and we click tackle. One tackle did. Actually, tackle is doing a good amount, but like, I think I do have an idea. I think I catch an Oddish, and I think I catch an Oddish and do it from there, because Oddish might be able to live a hit, and we'll deposit Sujinoko for the match. Like, or yeah, we can catch, like, who is putting in the most work right now? Chestnut? Should we catch another Chestnut? Like Chestnut part 2? Hunt for another Chestnut and then catch that thing, and then we can go on. Alright guys, so I did a bit of backtracking, and else than finding ourselves another chestnut, I found a Badiou, and I think that this thing might be useful. So I'm just going to catch this thing. Just get in the damn ball, Badiou. If I touch you, you'll die. Maybe Bambi has a high attack stat, so I don't know. Sprout. Maybe we can go Sprout and Vine Whip. Yep, nice. Let's go. We caught it. Will is on the squad. I don't know why I name it Will, but I like to name my male Badious Will. Females are Rosa. And yeah, just an extra bit of info there. So I deposit Sujinoko. Sujinoko. Yeah, there is Sujinoko. I deposit Sujinoko right now, and I go and train up Will. Maybe Will can evolve. Like, if it will be huge for us if Will evolves. If he does, nice. If he does not, like, I don't know what we will do if Will does not evolve. Actually, let's just get Bambi up there, grind a bit in the grass, tackle. Bambi is a crit machine, dude. Bambi is a crit. Bambi keeps hitting crits, like all those crits that don't even matter. Yeah, Bambi is the champion getting crits there. Tackle that. Will gets to level 8. Tackle that. Will does not get a level anymore. Tackle. Caterpie has bug bite and it took my Oran berry. Damn thief, Caterpie. Shroomish. Okay. Excitement overpowered. Let's just, yes, Sap Sipper, give me my attack boost and get in the ball. Yes, Doom Shroom is here, dude. My guys, I definitely did not come in this recording session thinking that we'll catch more Pokemon, but I will take a Shroomish all day every day. Doom Shroom. There we go, fits. And we are going to get Doom Shroom, deposit Aries for a couple of maybe we'll deposit Aries for a couple of gems till we reach Erika, because like that's when Aries becomes really useful, and we can evolve it into a Jumpluff by then, and then we can just soar through Erika's gym with aerial returns. And Doom Shroom, he's holding a tiny mushroom, and we're going to be replacing Aries. Look at our very, very green team. Our team is very green right now. Let's just go heal up, and we are going to grind. I think I should grind off screen. I don't know why I'm doing it on screen. Like, it's taking in the time from the episode. So yeah, I'll be back after grind. Alright, so I am back, and the training montage is technically done. Will is level 14, timid nature though, which is really cool, with Mega Drain, Growth, Water Sport and Stun Spore. And we have Doom Shroom holding the tiny mushroom up to level 14, with Poison Heal ability, which is pretty cool. Mega Drain, Tackle, Stun Spore and Leech Seed. So I am going to just heal up, have 10 more minutes to deal with Faulkner. If we can't beat Faulkner, I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe we try back in the next episode, or maybe I do it off screen. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Like, nobody watches my videos, so I think I have to do it on my own accord. Sad. Okay. That thing pretty cool. The Emolga is here, the Destroyer of Souls. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Like, why? That is so bitchy. Let's just click Mega Drain. Yeah, this thing can live a hit, but like we cannot do anything in return to it. It's not like we got Sludge or something, right? Why doesn't my berry ever activates? Like, I have a damn berry on that thing. Just eat the damn. Of course, I miss every single Leech Seed and hits every single Air Cutter. I'm raging hard, dude. I'm raging super hard right now. I'm just gonna hit Faulkner in the face. Sorry if you can hear something in the background. My grandfather is just watching television at full blast. And boom, there we go. We kill that thing. Air Cutter misses, so we get a good some good chip damage on that thing. I leech seed that thing so we can live that, and I poison powder it to get some extra chip, and maybe miss. No misses. Oofy. Okay. So Will has Transport. Doomshroom has Lead Seed. I do not know whether Doomshroom can. Yeah, Doomshroom can definitely live an area this. Sheesh. Doomshroom can 100% live an area race. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm probably going Jojo. And he goes into that thing, so I'm going to click clear. He creates me. He creates me. Why won't he create me? Just let's transport, click lead seed, then go into Bambi and click tackle. Come on, get paralyzed. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And why does he never miss? Like, if he missed that one, we would have just won right there. Wow, come on. We could have beaten that thing with a Badu right now. Dude, I'm so sad. I'm so salty. I'm so salty. Like, that run was going amazing. We can do it. Come on, let's do it again. Razor Leaf, no crits on any part. Nice. And he hits the air cutter. We're going to go Sprout, click Leech Seed. And we hit the Leech Seed, which is amazing. We poison the Corvisquire, which is like, poisoning the Corvisquire might have not been the best thing in the world, because now we cannot paralyze that thing. We do outspeed it with most of our team though. Like, that is a great thing. We get the 2 leads in, and a tackle takes that thing down. Doomshroom is running headbutt. Yep, let's get rid of tackle. So we have this thing right here. Come on. Our berry does not pop for some reason. Like, our berry never pops for some reason. And headbutt. Come on, dude. Come on. Can we actually transport this thing? It doesn't affect it. Yep. The Emolga missed his air cutter because he wanted to know if he can be paralyzed or not. So yeah, that was a dumb play on my part. I did not know how these mechanics work, because it's technically a Gen 3 engine with Gen 8 battle mechanics. So like, anything is possible in here. And he creates me. Let's go into Bambi, click tackle. That thing is dead now. And we can just click lead seed, air cutter, Sprout, poison powder it. Come on, don't miss the poison powder, Sprout. Sprout misses 2 poison powders in a row, dude. Oh, damn. Okay, let's air cutter. Yeah, we are just down bad losing right now. This thing doesn't even want to be paralyzed, and if it is paralyzed, it does not want to get paralyzed for some reason. We miss the transport. We miss every status move in the world. Damn it! I hate Faulkner. Like, he's the worst gym leader in Johto, and now he's here to destroy my soul because he cannot destroy me in a Johto game because he's so down bad. I'm just going to continue to insult Faulkner. Faulkner sucks, dude. If you like Faulkner, I'm so sorry, but you're not welcome on this channel anymore. Leech seed that thing, poison powder that, and we get some nice chip on this thing because for some reason we live. We kill that. Wow, nice. We might have a shot, guys. We might have a shot at this thing. Let's leech seed it. I don't know whether we live an aerialist. We do not. Come on, Will. Come on, Will. Attaboy. Come on. Let's mega drain this thing for some. We go Jojo and click clear. Hope it gets parad. It does not get parad. Come on, Bobby. Yes, let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's do it. I'm so happy right now. We get the TM4 loosed, and therefore we did it. We finally beat Faulkner and his evil Emolga. We hacked him through. He missed his air cutters twice in a row. Let's do it, guys. Let's get it. And now we can also take on the gym. So yeah, let's take on the gym, and that would be a good point to finish off the episode. Yo, champ in the making. Yada. It's fine. Now let me go. Roly Coly, Razor Leaf that thing, one shot. Drillbur, Razor Leaf that thing for one shot. So you're here. I'm Brock. I'm Pewter's gym leader. My rock hard willpower is evident even in my Pokemon. My Pokemon are rock hard and have true great determination. That's right. My Pokemon are all rock type. Yeah, now you have a Vulpix, you liar. Fwahaha, you get to challenge me, knowing that you lose? That's the trainer's honor that compels you to challenge me. Fine then, show me your best. Alright, we are fighting Brock, Razor Leaf, he switches out, Incinerate, burns our soul. Incinerate is going to be such a big problem. I hope we can, yep, we do set up a strength score and therefore we miss our lead seed. Let's go into Bambi. Bambi can tackle that thing through. Yep, para. We have a chance at a para and we have a chance at a flinch, but we get neither of those things. Jojo does finish that thing. Jojo finishes that thing. And Jojo does not finish that, but I think Sprout should be able to clean it up. And Sprout does clean it up. Okay, I took you for granted, and so I lost. As proof of your victory, I confer you this official League Boulder badge. Max received Boulder badge from Brock. Of course, you must have the HM in your bag, along with a Pokemon that is able to learn it. Wait, take this with you. Rock Tomb. Okay, and we are going to save right here, and in the next episode we are going to make our way to Cerulean City, and maybe in episode 4 we can challenge Misty. It has been a long episode, like almost, I think it has been more than 30 minutes, 32 minutes I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to save right here, and we are going to make our way to Misty in the next episode. I'll see you all then. Peace.